Magandang araw sa inyo guys. For this video, may tuturo ako sa inyo na kung saan makaka-earn tayo ng pera dito mismo sa ating fully verified GCash application. Okay, anong gagawin natin? So ito ang dashboard ng ating GCash. Okay, punta tayo sa View All Services. Okay, and then punta tayo dito sa Enjoy. So, anong gagawin natin? Click natin yung Earn Money. Okay, wait na natin. Okay, so mayroon dito guys na jobs, no? Refer and earn now. So, dito tayo sa jobs. Okay, click lang natin. Okay, refer a job. Kung makikita ninyo guys, meron dito mga iba't ibang industry. No? Okay, dito sa ibaba, merong earn 1,000 for a refer, earn 1,000, earn 1,000. Okay, pipiliin natin guys yung may mataas, no, na halaga sa pagre-refer natin. So, dito tayo guys sa earn 3,000. Okay, ano ito? So, refer a customer service representative for teleperformance EDSA Greenfield sa Makati. Okay, click lang natin. Okay, ito yung job description niya. Ako, makikita natin guys, from referring this, you could earn 3,000 referral fee. Okay. Okay, ang qualifications, high school diploma is good. Skills, dapat meron siyang communication skills. Okay, and the BPO company is Teleperformance. Ang branch niya sa Makati. Click natin guys, since magre-refer tayo dito, hindi tayo mag-a-apply. Okay, click natin yung refer. Okay. Now, so tayo ang mag-refer dito. Pero na-required ni GCash na i-fill out natin ang iba't ibang info dito. Okay, what is your current job title? So, nilagay ko accounting staff dahil accounting staff ako. Okay, select an industry, accounting or finance. Pero kung ikaw mismo ay nagtatrabaho sa iba't ibang industry like admin, HR, advertising, so doon ka mag-click, no, sa admin, HR, or sa advertising and many more. Okay, next. Okay, what's your specialization? General or cost accounting, audit and taxation, banking, financial, corporate finance, investment, insurance, or securities. Ako ay under sa banking or financial. So, dito tayo mag-click. Okay, next. And what is your level? So, ang entry level ko ay 1 to 4 years work experience. Okay, next. Okay, guys, nandito na tayo mismo sa dashboard, no, ng i-refer natin. So, dito, sabi niya, refer this job to someone. You can refer this position 6 more times. Okay. And then, ang hinihingi niyang information dito is ang full name ng taong i-refer natin and ang kanyang email address. Okay. Since magre-refer tayo, no, pipiliin natin yung pinaka-the best na or qualified na tao. So, anong gagawin natin guys? Since wala pa tayong nakikita, punta tayo sa Facebook. Ipopost natin na nag-hire sila ng customer service representative. Okay? Sige. Okay guys, punta tayo sa ating Facebook. Okay, and search tayo job hiring. Job hiring. Okay, job hiring in Metro Manila area. Okay. So, dito guys, join tayo dito. Okay. and click natin. Okay. So, popost tayo dito guys, no? Okay, popost na natin guys. Hiring. Customer service representative for TP EDSA Greenfield. Okay, message me for more info. Okay, pupost na natin guys. Okay, so na-post na natin. Wait na natin guys kung may nag-PM sa atin na qualified sa kanilang job description. Okay? Okay, and if successful, so you could earn up to 3,000 pesos. Okay? So, dito guys, kung makikita natin, may mga payout rules, referral details, and email alerts. So, payout rules, according to the schedule set by this employer, 50% of the referral fee will be credited to your wallet 30 days upon the candidate's hire, and other 50% will be credited 90 days upon the candidate's hire. Okay, and the referral details, if your referred candidate is hired, 100% of the referral fee will be credited to you. However, if the referral is passed to someone else, the fee is half. Sabihin guys, 50%. Okay? Sige. So guys, that's it for now, and I hope that it will give a little help to those interested, no, to earn other source of income here. Okay, thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe to my channel for more updated videos. So thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.